Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the perfect accessory for your autumn decor, the best pink pumpkin garland available on the market. This is not just any garland, it's a delightful blend of charm and seasonal cheer. Let's explore why this Whaline 8.2 feet fall felt Pom Pom banner deserves a place in your home. Crafted by Whaline, known for their attention to detail, this garland measures 8.2 feet long, making it perfect for decorating mantels, walls, or even windows. Its standout feature? The adorable 3D pumpkin shapes adorned with colorful pom-poms. Each element is meticulously assembled, saving you the hassle of setup. What sets this garland apart is its premium felt material, ensuring durability and a soft touch. The pumpkins are vibrant in pink hues, complemented by a variety of pom-pom colors that add a playful, festive touch to any room. Whether you're hosting a Thanksgiving gathering or simply want to celebrate the season, this garland is a versatile choice that adds a warm, inviting atmosphere to your home. Versatility is key, and this garland doesn't disappoint. Its lightweight design allows you to easily hang it anywhere you desire. Imagine it draped along your fireplace mantle, gracing your entryway, or even adorning a feature wall in your living room. It effortlessly blends with existing decor, making it a standout piece without overwhelming the space. Installation is a breeze with the pre-assembled design. Simply unpack and hang, no assembly required. The garland includes a sturdy string for secure hanging, ensuring it stays in place throughout the season. Adjust the length effortlessly to suit your space, making decorating stress-free and enjoyable. As we wrap up, if you're looking to elevate your autumn decor with a touch of whimsical charm, look no further than the Whaline 8.2 feet fall felt Pom Pom banner. Its exquisite design, ease of use, and versatile nature make it a must-have for this season. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more home decor reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy decorating! For more product reviews and decorating tips, click here to subscribe to Product Critique.